One way to increase website traffic is to optimize your images. So here I downloaded an image from Shutterstock and it's a big file, so I want to optimize it for my website. Optimization of your images for your website is important because you can increase your page speed if your images are smaller, and you can still retain a nice resolution for them, so the page will load faster and now I'll impress Google and you'll get more traffic. So I'm going to open the image with Adobe Photoshop Elements. It's important that you use Adobe Photoshop Elements for this because Photoshop no longer supports this feature. So I'm opening this image with Adobe Photoshop Elements. So let's just see here, it's loading up, just a minute. Here's the image. I'm going to use this for my blog, increasing traffic to my website. So you go to File, Save for Web. Is the main thing. See, it shows this original image was 30.5 megabytes. Imagine how big that is. Imagine how slow that's going to make your page load if it has to load up a page that's 30.5 megabytes. And then I'm going to load, and then if you save it for the web, it goes down to 728.2 kilobytes. So it's being compressed about 30 times. So I'm just going to go save for web, save it to my folder, replace the old image that's 30.5 megabytes, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Next thing you do is open it, upload it to your WordPress website. Thanks so much. Check out my website at www.beastwebsites.com.